Alright, we're going to show Mark the correct way to put a motor in a truck. Is that the correct way? It's already split in the bottom. Where's the seat belt? Can you get to it? Can I go around it? Does it got a round bottom on the seat? Yeah, it does. It's even got bolsters on it. That'll hold it good. There you go. The correct way of doing it.
Correct way of doing it.
Correct way is leave the door unlocked so I can get in. It's like going out there carrying a motor and the door's locked and I can't find the key. Oh, don't worry, I got all day. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. It's not heavy or anything.
No. So we got it buttoned up for Junior there so he doesn't get any dirt in it. You can't have my engine stand though.
No. No, I have to take the whole table. Wouldn't mind having the engine stand though. That thing's nice.
It's solid.
It's just the right height.
It works just right for everything.
Yeah.
Except the holding nuts.
Yeah. It drops nuts a lot, but.
Nut dropper. What about your UL front axle you left there?
What'd I leave? Oh, my axle.
UL front axle for your military Canadian WLC.
Yeah.
Said you wanted that.
I do.
Costs money.
It does.
I don't like it. It doesn't fit a Harley.
What do you mean?
I gotta cut this off, then it'll fit a Harley. Right now it fits a Canadian bike. British. Foreign
Yeah, but
shit.
the thing's kind of cool.
Actually, it's a British colony bike.
I like that.
Narrow that down a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, points are there. Oil's over there. Switch is going to get broken over here if you do something with it. Okay. Door's in the way.
Whoa.
Protection. It's cheating in there. Fixing my wrist. Oh, that's pretty good there. So.
Oh, damn.
Can you carpool with this?
I think so.
That holds it in there.
You are crazy.
It holds them in.
It does, yeah.
It actually does hold them.
You're still crazy. There's a shovelhead.
The key is don't put this into your seat.
Yeah.
Put the other side against the seat.
That's a good call.
But the round bottom was good. Do not put a stand in your seat because the stand will put holes in the seat.
Yeah.
But the case fits the seat because the seat's curved for the butt.
All right.
And it holds it.
Awesome.
I usually just hold my hand on when driving too on the inside so it doesn't wobble around. If it goes over here, you got to just jam a jacket in here so it stays far.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
All right.
Now you're not known for getting it out.
Yeah.
I don't know why you bring up a 4-wheel drive truck and have to throw it up in the air an extra foot and a half, but you know, whatever. All right, well that's it for that one. She's going bye-bye. Until it comes back for sale. That'll be down the road. All right, did you grab all this junk? And he left his axle. And the braking oil. Oh, we didn't give him braking oil. Make sure you use braking oil on new motors. We can get you braking oil. We can grab one up there. That's not braking oil. That's running oil. Braking says brake in on it.
Yeah.
For rings. All right, that's it for that.